This demo introduces ZSoft's MyAccounts Dashboard features. To begin, go to myaccounts.work and log into your account with a login key, email and password provided by your account manager. On the left-hand side, click on the hamburger menu opens the side panel. It consists of all the dashboard items in list form. This menu can be used for quick access when the dashboard is not visible. On the top of Dashboard, clicking on the black Main Menu button gives an instant view of the financial performance dashboard. Clicking on the same button, which is now blue titled Dashboard, you will be taken back to the main menu. MyAccounts supports multiple branches. Each branch has its own chart of accounts, inventory, sales, purchases, customers, etc. At the top you can select from the drop-down menu whether you would like to access your head office or other branch's dashboard. The dashboard has 7 main features: invoices, vouchers, payroll, manufacturing, reports, all branch reports and management. They are categorized into sub-features. This is all for this video. Thank you.